You're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the analytic description of a periodic function. That is, if you want to describe a periodic function, that is converting a graph into describing the graph. I want to try to give the description to this particular graph. So now this is a graph here, and let us view how we are going to go about the situation. So first of all, we have this line here, and we have this line here, we have this line here, which have to repeat itself from the beginning again at point 13. So we can identify that the period, the period t is equals to 13. So we know that the period is equals to 13. That is f of t is equals to f of t plus 13. That is it. So we have identified the period. The next thing that we do is we start solving for this first line. Now for this first line over here, how we get the equation is we write from from 0 to 4, that is from x equals to 0 to x equals to 4. Then we do y minus y1 over x minus x1 is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now this is the formula here in order for us to be able to get the equation of a line. Okay. So now that we have done this, we have this is equal to y minus our y1, which is the initial value of y here, is 0. Y minus 0 over x minus x1. X1 is the initial value of x, which is 0. That is x minus 0 is equals to our y2. That is our final value of this line here is at 3. That is equals to 3 minus y1, which is 0, over 4 minus x1, which is also 0. So from here, I have my y over x is equals to 3 over 4. Therefore, y is equals to 3 over 4x from x equals to 0 to x equals to 4. Or instead of writing from x equals to 0 to x equals to 4, you can rather just write it as we put our semicolon. Here 0 is lesser than x and x is lesser than 4. So now this is for the first line, and now we also want to do for the second line here. So we do from x equals to 4 to this point here where x equals to 10. We use our formula y minus y1 over x minus x1 is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So therefore we have y minus our y1, the initial value of y here is 3, that is at this point of the line. Y minus 3 over our x minus initial value of x is 4, x minus 4, or let me just bring it over here. So we have y minus 3 over x minus 4. X minus 4. Then the final value at this point here is equals to our final value of y is minus 3. So we have minus 3 minus the initial value 3 over 10 here minus the initial value 4. So this is our equation right here. Now let's do the finishing. Y minus 3 over x minus 4 is equals to minus 6 over 6, and 6 cancels 6, which is going to give us minus 1. So this will be y minus 3 is over x minus 4 is equals to minus 1. If we do cross multiplication, we have y minus 3 is equals to minus x plus 4 according to this here, that is minus times minus 1 times x minus x minus 1 times minus 4 is plus 4. So therefore, we have um, we're going to have y is equals to minus x plus 4 minus 3 comes here, we have plus 3 is equals to minus 4 plus 7, which can also be written as minus x plus 7, which can be written as 7 minus x. So therefore, y is equals to 7 minus x, comma, 4 is lesser than x and x is lesser than 10. That means from 4 to 10. So that is the description of this particular line in terms of the equation. So now for the final line here, which is from we have from x equals to 10 to x equals to 13. From x equals to 10 to x equals to 13, what do? We use our equation. We have y minus, our initial value for y here is minus 3. So y minus into bracket minus 3 over our x is x minus, the initial value for x here is 10, which is equal to our final value for y here is also minus 3. So we have minus 3 minus into bracket minus 3 over our x here is 13 minus 10. So this is going to give us y plus 3 over x minus 10 is equal to minus 3 minus minus 3 is going to be equal to minus 3 plus 3, and minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. So 0 divided by anything is 0. So at the end of the day, you get 0. And if we do cross multiplication, this is also going to give us y plus 3 is equal to 0. So if we double 3 to the other side, y is equal to minus 3 from 10 is lesser than x is lesser than 13. That is from 10 to 13. So therefore, the final way that we are going to arrange our answer is in this form: y here, or let's not say y, we can put it as y is also the same thing as f of x, which is a function of x. Y here is equal to y here is equals, or f of x is equals to, we put big our big curvy bracket here, and now the first one that we add was this one, which is 3 over 4x from 0 to 4. That is 0 is lesser than x and x is lesser than 4. And the second one that we add was this 7 minus x from 4 lesser than x lesser than 10, and then we also have minus 3 from 10 lesser than x is lesser than 13. So therefore, this is the description, the analytical description of this particular graph over here. You can try this any type of graph that you are given, and using this formula over there, you would get your answer. Thank you very much.